guys, I just received this pantry in the mail. I'm going to show you how to put it together, so follow along with me. Alright guys, this is what it looks like in my kitchen. I love that it matches my kitchen super well with the wood and the white. It opens super smoothly with that door, and that wheel on the bottom makes it super nice for this door to swing open and close. You can store so much stuff in here. It is just fantastic. Didn't take me very long to set up at all, just about 40-45 minutes. So this is a great addition to my kitchen, and I'm super excited to use it every single day. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a great day.